Ever wondered why you're shopping at the same supermarkets and high street brands every week, but your Monzo balance never seems to grow on its own? Most people open the Monzo app, see a list of random logos at the bottom, and completely ignore them. But after using Monzo as my primary account for years, I've realized that maximizing cashback isn't about changing where you shop, it's about changing how you use the app before you tap your card. The absolute first rule, and the one most people miss, is that Monzo Cashback is not automatic. You have to manually activate every single offer. I've made it a habit to open the app every Sunday night, scroll to the cashback section, and just tap activate on everything that looks even remotely useful. Because the offers refresh monthly and are tailored to your spending habits, the more you activate and use them, the better the offers become. If you don't activate it before you pay, you get zero, even if the retailer is on the list. If you really want to scale this up, you need to look at the supermarket boosts. Occasionally, Monzo runs a stackable offer, like 2% back on all supermarkets on top of a specific 5% offer for Asda or Sainsbury's. When those align, that's 7% back on a weekly shop. I always check these before a big grocery run because it often dictates which supermarket I'll hit to that day. Another pro tip is using your Monzo Flex card for larger purchases. You can still earn cashback on eligible retailers using Flex, which means you're getting the protection of a credit card and the cashback reward simultaneously. Just remember that the cashback doesn't go into your main balance immediately. It sits in a separate cashback balance. I personally let mine sit there for a few months and then move it into a savings pot to let it earn interest, rather than spending it the second it hits the account. Finally, keep an eye on the multi-use versus single-use tags. If it's a multi-use offer for a place like Boots or Greg's, I make that my go-to for the entire month. If it's single-use, I save it for the biggest possible transaction to get the most value out of that percentage cap. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.